In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to split screen Minecraft on Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up a split screen session on Nintendo Switch for Minecraft is extremely simple. You can do this on the OG Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch 2. Whichever device you have, regardless of the model, you will be able to play Minecraft in split screen. So of course, you will need two controllers. You can take apart your Joy-Cons and use them as distinct controllers for player 1 and player 2, but ideally you will have a separate controller. So the very first thing that you have to do is to set up the additional controller. Go into the home screen of the Switch, so back out of Minecraft, and go into the controllers tab here. Inside of the controllers tab, you will be guided through the process of adding additional controllers. So like I said before, you can have separate Nintendo Pro controllers like these, or you can set apart the Joy-Cons and use them as a distinct controller. Use whichever options you have available, but basically one controller needs to be on this first square attributed to player 1 and another controller needs to be here attributed to player 2. So once you press left and right on the controllers and they appear on these windows, you will be able to go inside of Minecraft to set up split screen. If you need additional help, press minus or plus and just follow the instructions here regarding changing the grip or order. Now, once the controllers are good to go, go inside of Minecraft and access any world. Player 1 will load in, and now if you press any button on the additional controller, this message will pop up, join as player 2. So all that you have to do is press the plus button on the secondary controller, so the one that you linked here. By pressing the plus button, when you see this message inside of a world, so you cannot do this from the home screen, you need to do it inside of a world, split screen will load. You will have to assign a user account to the secondary player. So let's say you are using this account here, you can just go ahead and create a new one for that secondary player. This is extremely important. If an account is not being used, they will not be able to join split screen. So after the account is set up and they have a user good to go, you will be able to play together. The split screen mode will start automatically, divided here, and each of you will have your own screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to split screen Minecraft on Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.